Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you're swapping a Tremec TR6060 transmission in your car and you're having trouble finding a shifter that lines up with a factory hole in your floor pan, we've got just what you need. Let's take a closer look. So the factory TR6060, the way it comes factory in your Camaro or your CTSV, it's got a big linkage shifter that hangs off the back and kind of isolates on a bushing that's mounted to the tunnel. So this shifter completely eliminates all that stuff, and it hard mounts to the transmission at the forward 4-bolt location where the actual shift linkage piece goes in from the factory. So it gives it a much more crisp and rigid feel. And obviously we've got 3 different lengths currently, which is 4 inches back, 6 inches back, and 8 inches back.
We also now offer a 10-inch back and may add different lengths in the future depending on demand. Not only do these shifters relocate your shift lever, they also shorten the throw by 40%, allowing for much faster shifts and improved ETs.
This gives it almost like a gated, high-performance feel. So far the feedback's been outstanding, and the feel of this thing is just night and day for a factory shifter. Not only do we have the varying lengths that move the shift lever rearward or forward, depending on if you want to actually be shorter than where the factory Camaro shift linkage sets your shifter. It'll also be adjustable sideways. So we make a variety of different shift levers that bolt to this lower shaft here, so you can actually offset your shift lever this way, or even forward or back. So say the 4-inch or the 6-inch gets you within an inch of where you need to be. We have an offset 1-inch shift lever that will drop it back or forward depending on what you need to perfect the location where your knob comes up through. The best thing about this too for you guys with hot rods or cars you don't want to cut up is you don't have to worry about cutting your tunnel up. The last thing you want to do is hack your sheet metal apart. So all these shifters and the different lengths that we offer will allow you to avoid cutting up your sheet metal and have an OEM look and feel with the shift knob coming out where it's supposed to. Not to mention the ergonomics of not having to reach too far forward or having it back behind you. So that perfect placement is going to be crucial to quick shifts, performance, and just a good feel when you're driving your car. As with all of our short shifters and relocation shifters, we design and manufacture these right here in the USA. Starting with the 6061 build aluminum plate, stainless steel shift levers, linkages, and grade 8 hardware. We also incorporate a rubber boot that keeps all the dirt out of the important parts of the shifter, as well as keeps oil from coming out of your transmission. To learn more about these TR6060 relocation short throw shifters or our other shifters, log on to Sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.